Okay guys, so I'm very much afraid because I've paid a lot of money for this and the box felt like it's made up of plastic. Yeah, my guess was correct. So almost 10 months of wait guys. So nowadays they are sending in plastic box, I think, which is a good idea because they are quite sturdy and they are waterproof as well. Like the cardboard box will become wet and it will lose its composure, right? With plastic box it does not happen. So let's go for the mini GT guys. Has a little bit of scratches but it's a good one. So this was imported, so you don't see any kind of MRP sticker. Due to lack of patience I bought one more, so I have two of these and rest of the cars are here guys. So just look at this Rugrats. It looks kind of fun though. So this is the pop culture set I was very much excited about. It was awesome set. And here is the Matrix guys. So I'm a big fan of Matrix. 64 Lincoln Continental. Just look at the wheels, they are so flushed in inside the body. So I have a thing for vintage cars and this looks absolutely beautiful in black color. Really love this one, and again lot of scratches on the blister. Let's get into the another box. So here is the Batman. So this is TV series Batman and I love this one as well. So this pop culture set was amazing guys. Except this one, I wanted everything, but this one looks absolutely awesome. Probably I'll give it to my daughter. So this is a most wanted one guys. So this is the Stranger Things. So I finished the episode and I wanted this pop culture set that time. Looks beautiful. 1983 BMW 733i. So this is the car that was stuck in the wall. So good guys, so good. This particular car, just look at the close-up guys, it looks so good, so good. The Godzilla blasting off everything. So good man. So just look at that color combination. This is how it looks from the top, and from the back you can see Gojira. Gojira. This is how it looks from the front guys. So good casting, so good casting. Thank you Harla Toys. And the last one, so even this was a pre-order. So this is from the Gran Turismo 2022 Porsche 911 GT3 RS. So I'm a big fan of GT3 RS and this one I had to get it. So I paid 1,500 for this and it's absolutely worth it. Good card, everything is good. So I'm totally happy guys with this purchase. I'll see you in my next video. Until then, Godzilla.